Hey everybody, welcome back. We just finished up tinting this 2006 Nissan 350Z. It received our top of the line ceramic tint on 35% on the windshield and 5% limo tint on the back and sides. This vehicle is going to be thoroughly protected from the sun, and this lucky winner was actually our giveaway winner, and he opted in to get his windshield tinted as well, and we did the entire vehicle in our top of the line ceramic film. Contact us today to get yours done next, and we'll be doing a giveaway again shortly.